Okay, boys and girls, let's take a look at this problem from lesson 1.1, representing numbers. Here we have the statement. Looking at the following place value blocks, write the standard form, expanded form, expanded notation, and word form of the value of each model. And here we have our model, okay? First things first, we need to include our place value friends above the base 10 blocks. We don't have any ones, so we're going straight to our tens, hundreds, and thousands place. I'm going to label each place value block with the place value above each base 10 block. So starting off with our base 10 blocks for our tens place, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a 4 in the tens place. We have 1, 2 hundreds, so a 2 in the hundreds place. And we have just 1 thousands block, so a 1 in the thousands place. Now that I have my base 10 blocks labeled, I'm going to go ahead and draw out a place value chart so I can plug in my digits where they need to go. Starting off with my ones place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands place. I don't have any ones here, so I'm going to put a 0 there. My tens place, I have 4, so I'm going to put a 4 in the tens place, 4 underneath the T column. I have 2 hundreds, so a 2 underneath the H column, and I have 1,000s, so I'm going to put a 1 in the thousands place along with the comma there. This is the standard number. This is the standard form, 1,240. Expanded form. Expanded form shows the values of each digit, starting off with our greatest digit, which is the 1 in the thousands place. I have the value of that is 1,000. Plus the value of the 2 in the hundreds place, which is 200. Plus the value of the 4 in the tens place, which is 40. And I don't have to include that 0. I can just leave it as it is. So this is the expanded form. If I add all of these together, it's going to equal my regular old standard number, 1,240. But this is the expanded form. Okay? Let's jump down to word form. Word form is just writing this number using words. So here we have 1,000. Along with the comma, 200, $40. These three are familiar to us because we learned about them in second grade. Expanded notation is new. It looks similar to expanded form, except it has parentheses and multiplication symbols as well. So we're going to draw out our first set of parentheses. Inside this first set of parentheses, we're going to include the first digit in this number, which is the 1. 1. Then we're going to multiply that 1 by the place value. The 1 is in what place? The thousands place. So we're going to multiply it by 1,000. Plus the 2. So my next set of parentheses. And I'm going to multiply it by the place value, which is 100. Plus my next set of parentheses. The 4 is next. And I'm going to multiply it by the place value, which is the 10. So I'm going to write 10. And that's it. 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. 2 times 100 is 200, and 4 times 10 is 40. This is the expanded notation. If I add up these values together, what I have inside the parentheses, it'll equal 1,240.